Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video on CAF's channel. Do click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it to be notified for future exciting content. Great, let's get into it. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert a Word document to a PDF document. Okay, it's very easy and simple. So at this point, I want to assume that you have already launched your Microsoft Word application. Okay, beautiful. So once you have that launched, you may have a document you will want to convert to PDF. Okay, it could be an assignment, an official document, or what have you. Okay, so you could see that I have a document here, right, which is business mathematics. Okay, beautiful. So from this point, you now move to file. After you've typed out your document, you now move to file and move to save as and click browse. Okay, this will give you a location where you can save your document. Okay, I would want to save this document to my desktop. All right, so I select desktop, and the next thing to do is to give your file a name. Okay, so I want to give this file the name BSU2. BSU2. Okay, so after you've named your file, you can move on to select the save type. Okay, now this is where you have to save your document or select the PDF option. So now we click on the drop down and then you move to PDF. Okay, once you've selected PDF, click on save. This will save your documents to PDF. And if you have an application like mine, which is a PDF reader, which is Nitro Pro, your document will automatically open once it has been saved in PDF. So this is a PDF format of the document I showed you earlier in Word. Okay, you realize that it has the same title here, BSU2. All right, okay. Now let's go ahead and confirm the location on our desktop. Beautiful. So we have BSU2 here. You can notice that the type is PDF document. Okay. So guys, this is how to convert your Word documents to PDF. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a like and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you are new to this channel. Do also click on any of the tabs you can see here to watch my previous videos I have uploaded. Stay safe and have a good day.